Why do you want to apply for a passport?
I want to apply for a passport because I plan to travel abroad soon.
What documents do you need for the passport application?
I need my national ID card, birth certificate, and recent photographs.
Where will you submit your passport application?
I will submit my passport application at the local passport office.
How long does it take to receive a passport?
It usually takes around 2 to 3 weeks to receive a passport.
What is the fee for a normal passport?
The fee for a normal passport depends on the number of pages and validity.
How can you pay the passport fee?
I can pay the passport fee at the bank counter or through an online service.
Who will verify your documents?
The passport officer will verify all my documents carefully.
How many photographs are required for the application?
Usually, 2 recent passport-size photographs are required.
What should be the background color of the photograph?
The photograph should have a white background.
Why is a passport important for travel?
A passport is important because it serves as an international identification document.
Where can someone collect the passport after approval?
The passport can be collected from the same passport office.
How will you know when your passport is ready?
I will receive a text message when my passport is ready for collection.
What should you do if your passport is lost?
I should immediately report the loss to the police and the passport office.
Why does the passport officer take fingerprints?
Fingerprints are taken for identity verification and security purposes.
How long is a passport usually valid for?
A passport is usually valid for 5 or 10 years.
What is the difference between an urgent and a normal passport?
An urgent passport is processed faster but costs more than a normal one.
Who can apply for a child's passport?
A parent or legal guardian can apply for a child's passport.
What details are printed on a passport?
The passport contains the holder's name, photograph, date of birth, and nationality.
How do you fill out the passport form?
I fill out the passport form carefully with accurate personal details.
Where can you download the passport form?
The passport form can be downloaded from the official government website.
What should you write in the occupation section?
I should write my current profession or job title in the occupation section.
What should you do if you make a mistake in the form?
I should correct it neatly or fill out a new form to avoid rejection.
Why do you need a police verification for a passport?
Police verification ensures that the applicant has no criminal record.
How do you check the status of your passport application?
I can check the status online using my application number.
What information is needed for online tracking?
The tracking system requires my CNIC number and application reference number.
Who signs the verification section of the form?
A gazetted officer or a government official signs the verification section.
Why should you provide your permanent address accurately?
The permanent address is needed for police verification and future communication.
How can you correct a spelling error in your passport?
I need to apply for a correction with supporting documents and a fee.
What happens if your passport application is rejected?
If rejected, I can reapply after correcting the issues mentioned.
What should you bring on the day of the appointment?
I should bring my original ID card, photocopies, and photographs.
Who approves the final issuance of the passport?
The passport officer in charge approves the final issuance.
How old should a person be to get an adult passport?
A person should be at least 18 years old to get an adult passport.
What type of passport do government employees get?
Government employees usually receive an official passport.
Why do students apply for passports?
Students apply for passports to study abroad or attend conferences.
How can foreigners apply for a passport in your country?
Foreigners must contact their embassy for passport-related services.
What should you do if your passport is damaged?
I should apply for a reissue by submitting the damaged passport.
Why do some people renew their passports early?
They renew early to avoid expiration before international travel.
What is the benefit of having a passport?
A passport allows international travel and serves as valid identification.
How can you make an appointment for passport submission?
I can make an appointment online through the official portal.
Why should the applicant appear in person?
The applicant must appear in person for verification and biometric data.
What should you avoid writing in the passport form?
I should avoid false or incomplete information in the passport form.
How do you attach your photographs to the form?
I attach them in the marked area using glue, not pins or staples.
What kind of ink should you use on the form?
I should use black or blue ink while filling out the form.
What is the purpose of the signature section?
The signature section confirms that all provided details are true.
How can you change your name on your passport?
I must submit legal documents showing the name change.
What should you do after receiving your passport?
I should check all the details carefully to ensure accuracy.
Why should you keep your passport safe?
A passport must be kept safe because it is a valuable document.
What is a biometric passport?
A biometric passport contains an electronic chip with the holder's information.
Why are digital photos preferred for passport applications?
Digital photos meet size and clarity standards required by authorities.
Who helps if someone cannot fill out the form properly?
The passport office staff can help fill out the form correctly.
How can you renew your passport after expiration?
I can renew it by submitting the old passport and a new application.
Why does the passport office need your email address?
They use it to send updates and status notifications.
What should you check before submitting your application?
I should check all information, signatures, and attachments.
What happens during the interview at the passport office?
The officer asks questions to confirm identity and details.
What should you bring if applying for a child's passport?
I should bring the child's birth certificate and parents' ID cards.
How can you change your address on your passport?
I need to submit proof of my new address for correction.
Why does the passport office ask for your parents' details?
They use parents' details for identification and verification purposes.
What is a duplicate passport?
A duplicate passport is issued when the original one is lost or stolen.
How can you speed up your passport process?
I can apply for an urgent or fast-track service.
What should you do if your application is incomplete?
I should complete it quickly and resubmit it to avoid delay.
How do you receive your passport if you applied online?
It can be collected from the passport office after approval.
Why do people prefer online applications?
Online applications save time and reduce long queues.
What kind of proof of residence is required?
Utility bills, rental agreements, or property papers can serve as proof.
How can you check your passport's expiry date?
The expiry date is printed on the passport's main page.
Why is your signature important on the passport?
It verifies your identity and confirms document authenticity.
What should you do if you lose your receipt?
I should contact the passport office to get a duplicate receipt.
Who issues passports in your country?
The Directorate General of Immigration and Passports issues passports.
How can you prepare for a passport interview?
I should review my details and carry all supporting documents.
Why do some people apply for a passport urgently?
They apply urgently because they have immediate travel plans.
How can you reapply after rejection?
I can reapply with corrected documents and updated information.
What is the meaning of a machine-readable passport?
It means the passport can be scanned electronically for verification.
Why should you update your personal details on the passport?
Updating ensures all information matches current legal documents.
What should you not forget to bring to the office?
I should not forget my ID card, original documents, and fee receipt.
Why is your thumbprint needed?
It is used for biometric identification and security.
How can you verify if your passport is genuine?
I can check security features and verify it through the official website.
What should you do if your passport has printing errors?
I should report it immediately and apply for correction.
Why should your photograph be recent?
A recent photo ensures accurate identification.
How many pages does a standard passport have?
A standard passport usually has 36 pages.
What is the color of an ordinary passport?
An ordinary passport is usually green in color in my country.
Why do you need a signature of an authorized person?
It confirms that my identity has been officially verified.
How can you renew a minor's passport?
The guardian must apply with the old passport and updated documents.
Why should your handwriting be clear on the form?
Clear handwriting prevents mistakes and confusion during processing.
What is the penalty for giving false information?
Providing false information can result in rejection or legal action.
Why does the passport office take your photo again?
They take a photo to ensure it matches your current appearance.
How can you get updates about your passport process?
I can get updates by email or text message.
What should you do if the delivery is delayed?
I should contact the passport office and check the status.
Why should you double-check your date of birth?
An incorrect date of birth can cause issues in visa processing.
How can you make changes after submission?
I can visit the passport office to request corrections before printing.
What is the role of a passport officer?
The officer verifies applications, conducts interviews, and issues passports.
What advice would you give to new applicants?
I would advise them to prepare all documents carefully and apply early.